Hi everyone, don't you just love the fall and the beautiful colours and Halloween and Thanksgiving? This design is for those of you who don't want too much of it, but just a little token gesture. Now this lovely old Toby jar or whatever it is has been, I don't know what it is, it's been in our family for years and years and years, and it comes out at this time of the year for something simple and insignificant but talking volumes. I have here some autumn fall oak. I've got these lovely rose hips, and I've also got this lovely magnolia. Now these here are available from Prestige Botanicals. They're just new to the collection and they speak volumes of fall. I love them. Okay, to begin, let's just insert. Now the opening is very, very small, so I can't put much into it. So what I do put into it, I'm going to have to make sure that it's really, really visually beautiful and stands alone on its own. Now I have, this rose hip here, let me just show you. So here's the rose hip. What I have done, it actually comes this tall, very long. And the reason I designed them really long was because I didn't know what you wanted to do with them. But it is easy to cut them, and I'm sorry, all you need are some good side cutters, and it's just a matter of going in like so, and the job is done. They also come with labels. Do take your labels off because the labels are just an identification tag. So that can go into there. This can go into here like so. I've got this lovely piece of magnolia, which is just the most beautiful colours. And if you wanted to bring something in a little bit more speaks volume of fall, how's that? That's what I call quick and easy designing. Happy fall.